ebigambirwe nyumwabaziu ugabeji biru 31 pabireno batunga amabara gabo governance n'ubuzarisa ahari Ishaka Adventist School of Nursing na Ishaka Adventist School of Allied Health Sciences ahabinji bari kumanya nkanchwanga agarukushango muri Ishaka Bushenyi municipality.
Ever leave or forsake the sufferer. He never leaves or forsakes you. And with the comfort that you have received from him, go into the world.
You have been educated in this institution. Go and become the best nurse. Go and become the best health care worker.
Abeji abatungira amabara ababandize no kutera ibiragano byo bushaho kandi abebembezi bishomero babashabira ubutarehemuka abazire babo.
This is your achievement. Esete zibuzire kongo muntu obura kujya ko kujya yenda ngo hero mwana wawe. May God bless you abana mutija kwebwa ruhangayeza kubaho mugisha. Please remember your parents.
Keep learning and stay open to new experiences. Be kind and empathetic and understanding towards others.
Learning what to choose and how to choose may be the most important knowledge we will ever receive.
Nabwanyuma beji batire stagoro basima ruhanga obarabizo mu kushoma.
And I believe for us that these graduates are really suitable, will be suitable graduates, and I'm sure in the field they will do wonderful work.
Nimba hamizangu ahiturion tuza kutwaza nko kutushemye kutwaza nko kutwatendekirwe.
I'm so glad because this is far the Lord has brought us and we are going into the world to preach.
Makuru agagasha kwa Michael atwachire.